A gooseberry looks like a small, translucent grape, but it's far tougher than it appears. These shrubs thrive in the deep woods of the American Midwest and even in the freezing conditions of the Arctic Circle. Within that skin is a dense concentration of vitamins, copper, and manganese, a profile that qualifies it as a true superfood. But if you look at the produce section of a mid-century American grocery store, you won't find them. For nearly 70 years, the fruit was effectively erased from the American diet. This wasn't a matter of changing tastes. The gooseberry's disappearance was the result of a deliberate federal campaign to wipe the plant off the map. In the early 1900s, the United States government federally banned the cultivation of gooseberries. The ban targeted the plant for its role in spreading white pine blister rust, a destructive fungal disease. The fungus is harmless to the berry, but once it jumps to a white pine tree, it is almost always lethal. At the turn of the century, the white pine was the backbone of the American lumber industry, providing the raw material for the nation's rapid industrial expansion. To protect that timber supply, government crews were dispatched to locate and uproot gooseberry bushes in forests and backyards across the country. In the effort to save the economy's lumber supply, the United States sacrificed a nutritional powerhouse, leaving the public without access to the fruit's unique biological benefits for decades. Outside of the U.S., the berry remained a staple. In India, a local variety known as amla has been a centerpiece of Ayurvedic medicine for centuries. 100-gram serving of the raw fruit is exceptionally low in calories and fat, yet it provides over 27 milligrams of vitamin C. That nutrient density powers the berry's primary function, its ability to counteract oxidative stress, a process where unstable molecules damage the body's healthy cells. Specific phytonutrients and anthocyanins inside the fruit work as a defensive screen, neutralizing these unstable molecules before they can penetrate the cell wall and damage the DNA. Preventing this damage at the cellular level is a key factor in deterring chronic disorders like kidney disease, diabetes, and certain cancers. While American industry was protected, generations of citizens lost access to one of the most effective cellular defense systems found in nature. The gooseberry's active compounds also target the cardiovascular system. Compounds called L-glutanins work to improve endothelial function, which is the process that regulates how blood vessels dilate and clot. Improving this function helps the body naturally lower cholesterol and more effectively manage blood sugar levels. The benefits extend to the brain, where clinical studies suggest that the berry's neuroprotective properties can improve learning speed and memory retention. On the body's surface, the fruit acts against elastase and collagenase, the specific enzymes that break down the skin's structural proteins as we age. When we compare a collagen matrix under attack to one that has been preserved, the difference is clear. These compounds help slow the physical degradation of both skin and hair. From the deep organs to the outer layers of the skin, the fruit provides a consistent set of biological maintenance tools for the entire body. The federal ban was finally lifted in 1966, after the development of hybrid American plants that are naturally resistant to the fungus. Harvesting at different stages changes the berry's profile. Early green berries are tart and high in pectin, perfect for jams, while later redder berries are sweet enough to eat raw. But storing them correctly is difficult. Washing the fruit prematurely removes its protective waxy coating, which opens the door for gray mold to destroy the harvest in days. To preserve nutrients, growers use the individually quick frozen method. Spacing berries on a tray allows cold air to circulate, locking in structure. This prevents ice crystals from puncturing the skin, stopping berries from fusing into a solid block. The gooseberry has moved from a restricted ecological threat to a fruit that is once again widely available. Today, this resilient fruit remains a nutritional heavyweight that has been missing from American kitchens for far too long. Reclaiming the gooseberry means taking back a biological defense system that we've ignored for over 100 years.